Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to use Stripe to receive online payments in 2025, and it will be complete beginner friendly video. I break down step by step process in this entire video. So whether you run an online store, sell digital product, or offer freelance service, Stripe is one of the best ways to accept credit cards and other payments online. So let's set it up together. It is easier than you would think. So before that, what you just need to be understand that is what actually Stripe is. Stripe is a one-line payment processor. Like I can say, it lets you accept credit and debit cards, wallets, and bank transfer. It also helps you to send invoice and accept payments securely. Then it helps you to connect your website, store, or even mobile apps. It is trusted by millions of businesses from startup to huge companies. So first of all, what should you need to be do? So you just need to be create your Stripe account. If you are new, you just need to be visit on stripe.com. Then you just need to be click over here, paste your address, and then click to the start now or sign up. Then what enter your email address, like you if you click over here sign up, then here you just need to be provide your credential like email address, then password, then just click to the login and it will be login, and it will like your account creation is done. After that, Stripe will ask you to verify your email, check your inbox, and click the link, and your Stripe account will be verified. So here you can see we already have an account on Stripe, that's why it landed us into the dashboard panel. So but you just need to be properly fulfill all the requirement when you are creating an account. Like you just need to be set up your business details. Like once you log in, Stripe setup wizard will guide you through like your business name and type. It would be individual, sole proprietor, or company. Then you just need to be fill your business address and phone number, your website URL, like so Stripe knows where you will take payments. And also the main thing is to add your bank account where Stripe will deposit your payouts. Let's double check your bank info. Payouts usually happen automatically every few days, so that's why always recheck it. And then once you fill all the thing, now you just need to come back to the test payment in sandbox mode. Why I told you this one, like Stripe has a test mode, so you can safely test payments. Once you understand that safely your Stripe account is working, then you can go to next step to make it live. But before that, always use the sandbox mode. Like I am going to use the sandbox also. Like here you can see we have couple of things like home, balance, transactions, and many more. You if you want to test data, then you can use test card numbers, Stripe providers, then create a test payment to make sure everything works before going live. No real money will be moved. It is perfect for developers or store owner who want to check payments flow. Like how you can do it, you just need to come over here, and here if you want to see that your payment link is really working or not, you just need to come over here payment links, and here you just need to be create your product. So let's create another product. Here you just need to provide your product name. Let's give a name that will be okay. We just before that we just need to be create an product. So here I am going to click onto the product catalog, and here you can see we have almost 5 active products. So I want to create another one so you guys can understand how easy the process was. So they are telling us to give a name, so I'm going to provide a name, Canva Premium Plan, and then you can or you could add an description like it appears at checkout on the customer portal, and it quotes, hey, don't forget to subscribe our channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel. That's it. And here you can upload any image if you think it is necessary. I'm going to upload this one. And then here you can choose what kind of a action you want. It would be recurring or on off. It's totally dependent on you. So I'm going to pay it like one time payment. so it will be $5. And here you can see this is the thing, and just click to the add product and it has been added. Here you can see it. Now you just need to come back to payment links, and once you come over here you just need to click to the new and then choose your product. So I'm going to choose, this is my product and my payment has been created, so I am going to click on create link. Once I click over here, now eventually you can see that we already got an URL. We just need to copy this URL, and now I will open a new incognito window to test this one. So let's test it here. So they are telling us to provide this card information, email and region. So let's go and try to talk them to, like, tell them give us an dummy Mastercard. So Stripe credit card for test. You just need to search this one. Once you search it, now here you will get a couple of things like test card number. So you just need to be copy this card number from that place. So let's go, let's copy this one, let's provide the data, give it a time, then give it CVC 323, provide a name. You can change your country if it is needed. Then right now you can see we're not allowed to access this payable button, but if you provide your mail address, let's provide our mail address over here. This is the correct one, and here you can see back. Let's click this one and just click to the pay. Once I click over here, then it will take a while, and here you can see eventually thanks for your payment, a payment to Stripe will appear on the statement. So come back to this one and we already get an payment link. So now if I check to the subscription, here you can see that our subscription is been added here. So this is the easiest way to test your Stripe and then find out is it really working. If it is working, then you can do your main tasks with this Stripe account. So now the question is how you can add Stripe to your website or store. Like Stripe connects with many platforms. It could be Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, WordPress, WooCommerce and many more. For example, if you have a Shopify, you just need to go to the setting, then click to the payments, then you will get an option that called add payment method, and you just need to choose Stripe, and it sometimes varies on your country region. So be alert when you will choose Stripe. Then if you want to connect it, you just need to log into your Stripe account, then and you are done and your Stripe will be connected. Stripe also offers payment link, like create an one-time or recurring payment link inside Stripe, then share it by email or social media. Like we already saw you the link, and you just need to be customer click pay and you will get paid. No coding actually needed. Then if you want to send invoice with Stripe when you get paid for freelance work or custom service, use Stripe. Like here, click over here, invoice, Stripe invoice. You will just need to be click to the invoice, and once you come over here you will get this invoice. Here you can see, just click over here and here you can see this is the link. If I click to the download, it will take a while and it will be downloaded. So let's open this one, and here eventually you can see this is the invoice of we get. They pay securely with their credit card and you will get money in your Stripe account, and you can share this invoice with your customer. Now we are going to monitor our payments and payouts. How we can do it? Like inside my Stripe account or dashboard, I will get to view all payments and track the transaction details. Here you can see our USD balance has been increased. Then here you can see the gross volume. Then you can track pending and complete payouts. Then you can see detailed reports and analytics. Then you can see the refund customer if needed. Let me give you a tip that Stripe also offers fraud protection and 24/7 support. So that's it. Now you know how to use Stripe to receive online payments in 2025, and it was complete step-by-step breakdown video. Now you can create your Stripe account. If I assume then you connected your bank, then you tested your payments. Now you are going to add Stripe to your website or store, and you learn how to send invoice to your customer. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you would like tutorials on Stripe subscription, advanced feature, or connecting Stripe with your favorite platform. Thanks for watching and happy selling.